Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to save a project in CapCut PC. If you've been hunting around for a manual save button and can't find it anywhere, don't worry, you're not missing it. CapCut on desktop is designed to save your work automatically, so you never have to click save at all. Here's how it works. This is especially helpful for beginners because CapCut keeps the saving process simple, so you can focus on editing your video instead of searching through menus for a save option. At the very top left corner of your screen, right next to the menu label, you'll notice a small cloud icon followed by the word Saved. That tiny status area is your built-in progress indicator. It tells you exactly what CapCut is doing with your project in the background in real time, without any extra steps from you. So, whenever you want to confirm that your project is safe, this cloud icon is the first place you should check. Make a quick change on your timeline, trim a clip, add some text, or drop in a graphic, and watch the top left status. The moment you make that edit, the label will switch to saving, then snap right back to saved almost instantly. That rapid flash confirms your update has been captured. You can test this with a small edit first, like moving a clip slightly or adding a short text layer, just to see how the autosave status reacts. In practical terms, it means every cut, title, and graphic you add is preserved the moment you place it, so you don't have to pause your creative flow to think about saving. This is useful when you're editing longer videos, tutorials, reels, vlogs, or client projects where small changes happen quickly, and you don't want to manually save after every adjustment. Because of this instant autosave engine, you can close the software at any time without losing your progress. When you're ready to exit, just click Menu in the top left and choose Back to Homepage. That's it. CapCut will take you out of the editor, and your project will appear at the top of your dashboard, exactly as you left it, fully intact and ready to open again. No prompts, no manual saves, and no recovery steps. Once you're back on the home page, you can reopen the project from your recent projects area and continue editing from the same point. A couple of quick tips as you work. Keep an eye on that cloud icon if you're making a lot of fast edits in a row. Wait for it to switch back to saved before you immediately close the app, especially after a big change. If the status temporarily reads saving, give it a moment to finish. And always use the Back to Homepage option to exit cleanly, so the editor has a chance to wrap up any last-second updates. This matters most after adding heavy files, effects, transitions, captions, or graphics, because those edits may take a little longer to register. That's the whole system. Zero manual saving, continuous protection for your edits, and your project ready to pick up right where you left off. With CapCut PC, you can stay focused on creating, confident that your work is being saved for you every single time. You're all set.